Hi, this is the parody of Can't Be Friends, starring Mr. James, Tahir James, and directed by me. Shut the front door. Here we go. Mr. James, would you like to step up, please? This is. Turn it out. Woo! Look what this girl done did to me. She done cut me off from some good grub. The doctors told me my blood pressure was gone. Now I'm sitting here going half crazy. Cause I hear the chicken grease popping in my ear. Ain't no way in hell that I can be just friends with you. And I wish I never ate it. And I wish you never cooked it. And I wish I never ate that food, 'cause now I'm in a bad mood. Cut. Look at part 2, guys, on YouTube. Bye.